Since the dawn of civilization, naval strength has been a yardstick of a nation's power on the world stage. During the Great Age of Exploration, European powers vied for maritime supremacy, and the British Empire built its might on commanding the waves. However, following the cataclysm of World War II, it was the United States that definitively rose to the top, its navy evolving into the planet's most formidable force afloat. What forged this dominance? That's our mission objective today. Born from the very ideals of liberty and independence, the American spirit found a potent symbol in its fleet from its inception. In the 18th century, the U.S. Navy was recognized as fundamental to protecting national interests over 2 centuries. It transformed from a modest coastal defense force into a global powerhouse capable of projecting one-minute force and conducting complex combat operations anywhere on Earth. This wasn't just luck. It was forged through brilliant strategy, hard-won experience, and crucially embracing cutting-edge technology. The most visible and awe-inspiring testament to this maritime dominance is the U.S. Navy's aircraft carrier fleet. These floating fortresses are the ultimate tools of power projection, allowing America to influence events thousands of miles away. Consider this staggering fact: the U.S. operates 11 of the world's largest and most resilient supercarriers, more than all other nations combined possess, kicking off its carrier history with the USS Langley, or CV-1. Back in 1922, the Navy constantly pushed the envelope. Today, 2 active classes rule the waves: the legendary Nimitz class and the revolutionary Gerald R. Ford class. The Nimitz carriers, first deployed in 1976, still stand as 10 nuclear-powered titans guarding global democracy. 2 minutes, leading the next generation, is the USS Gerald R. Ford, designated CVN-78. While sharing a similar hull design, its insides are a technological leap, powered by 2 potent Beetle A-1B reactors generating nearly 30% more power. The Ford class boasts the game-changing electromagnetic aircraft launch system, or MLS, and advanced arresting gear, or AAG. These replace steam catapults and hydraulic wires, launching aircraft more smoothly and recovering them with less stress on airframes. Each Ford can carry up to 90 diverse aircraft, a potent air wing, including Boeing F/AE/F Super Hornets, the stealthy Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II E-18G Growler electronic warfare planes, E-2 Hawkeye early warning aircraft, and various helicopters and drones. With 9 more Ford-class carriers planned, this capacity could exceed 100 aircraft per ship. Supporting this air power are 11 advanced weapons elevators, 3 minutes, rocketing 24,000 pounds of ordnance up to the flight deck at 150 feet per minute, slashing rearming times from hours to just 10 minutes. The Ford is also a platform for future tech, like combat lasers beneath the waves. The Navy's Silent Service operates the nuclear submarine fleet, a vital component of the U.S. nuclear triad. This underwater force includes 53 multipurpose fast attack submarines known as SSN's 14 Ohio class, Strategic Ballistic Missile Submarines, or SSBNs, and 4 Ohio-class guided cruise missile submarines designated SSGNS. The SSN fleet, comprising the Los Angeles Seawolf and Advanced Virginia classes, are lethal hunter-killers armed with Mark 48 torpedoes and Tomahawk cruise missiles. The latest Virginia block, 5 boats will carry up to 40 Tomahawks. The 14 Ohio SSBNs form the backbone of America's sea-based nuclear deterrent, each carrying 20 Trident 2D5 ballistic 4 minutes missiles targetable on short notice via secure links from Strategic Command. The 4 Ohio SSGNS were converted to carry a staggering 154 Tomahawk missiles, each unleashing devastating conventional strikes. As demonstrated during Operation Odyssey, Dawn against Libya in 2011. Looking ahead, the SSNX program aims to develop the next-generation attack sub focusing on superior stealth sensors and firepower, ensuring underwater dominance for decades, albeit at a projected cost of $5.6 to $7.2 billion per boat on the surface. The Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyers, or DDGs, are the fleet's indispensable workhorses, armed with a sophisticated Aegis combat system and Spy 1D radar. These heavily armed ships handle air defense, anti-submarine warfare using towed sonars, anti-submarine rockets, or as rocket helicopters, land attack with Tomahawks and Antis, surface warfare, sometimes called A5 minutes SUW. Their capabilities have even expanded to include anti-ballistic missile and anti-satellite roles through continuous upgrades, with 74 currently in service and plans aiming for nearly 100. The Arleigh Burke class forms a formidable global shield, while the older Ticonderoga-class cruisers are phasing out. The future DDGX program is developing their replacement, designed with more powerful sensors and capacity for future weapons, including directed energy systems, with lasers potentially reaching 600 kilowatts. Technological leadership is non-negotiable. The Navy actively invests in future capabilities like autonomous systems through the Ghost Fleet Overlord project, testing unmanned surface vessels, or U.S. Versus, like the USV Mariner equipped with virtualized combat systems. Laser weapons are also becoming reality systems like the Experimental Laser Weapon System, or LAWS, and the more powerful high-energy laser with integrated optical dazzler and surveillance 6 minutes, or Helios tested on the USS Preble, are being integrated onto ships. This is part of the push towards fielding lasers potent enough, aiming for over 300 kilowatts via projects like the High Energy Laser Counter Anti-Ship Cruise Missile Project, better known as HEL, capped to defeat cruise missiles and other threats. This immense naval power is underpinned by an unparalleled global network of bases. Strategic anchors like Pearl Harbor in the Pacific, Yokosuka in Japan, Rota in Spain. Facilities in Germany like Ramstein supporting logistics, Guantanamo Bay in the Caribbean, Guam in the Western Pacific, and Singapore in Southeast Asia. These enable sustained forward presence and rapid deployment worldwide. Supporting this global reach is a vast logistics fleet and powerful amphibious assault ships like Landing Helicopter Docks, or LHDs, Landing Helicopter Assault Ships, or LHAs, and Landing Ship Docks, or LSDs, capable of moving Marines and equipment anywhere, trouble brews. 7 minutes. Despite this awe-inspiring M1, persistent danger looms not a foreign rival, but the threat of budget cuts. Let's hope this vital force continues to receive the investment needed to maintain its edge, innovate, and safeguard peace and stability across the globe for years to come. What do you see as the U.S. Navy's most critical asset? Share your analysis in the comments below. If this expanded briefing hit the target, give it a like, subscribe for more defense insights, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching Navy Steel.